Adam and Eve, they were put in a garden of trees, and one tree they were not supposed to eat from. One tree. This one tree symbolizes what? The few instances where things are prohibited in Islam. People like to say, oh, Muslims, they're just, everything is haram. It's haram this, haram that, haram the other, and you can't turn, everything is haram. It's not true. It's not true. The haram and the halal is like that garden with the one tree. One tree, haram, all of the rest, halal. But what happens? Satan comes to us as he came to Adam, and he named that tree Shajaratul Khuld, the tree of eternal life. So Adam, before that, he wasn't even thinking about eternal life. But once eternal life, I want that. I need eternal life. I don't want to die. Right? So then what did he feel? He had to eat from that tree. And that's how Satan operates. He takes that which is haram, beautifies it so much that we feel our life is incomplete unless we taste that haram. Same strategy, hasn't changed. Reality, haram is few. That's why in the Quran, whenever Allah is talking about haram and halal, He lists the haram things, and then He says everything beyond that is halal. So for every haram thing, alcohol, how many other kinds of juice is there for us to drink? Pork, how many kinds of meat can we eat? Gambling, how many other kinds of games can we play? So on and so forth. For every little thing which has been identified as haram, there are endless halal options. But Satan has made that one haram something so attractive that our desires feel and make us feel we cannot live without this. That is his methodology. So, let us be sure, have no doubt, that the haram in Islam is few. The halal is many. And whatever Allah has designated as haram is because there is harm in it. And whatever He has designated as halal, it's because there is good in it.